everyone, so this time I'm going to introduce you the Lego Mindstorms EV3. That's another cool machines that we had, the robots we have at the Maker Kits. So it's it's 10 plus, so age 10 plus, and you can actually use all the Lego we have here to make real robots, and then there's tractor, there's more things we can do, and you can find those things through our manual, so you can try, and then it will tell you how to make them, and all the pieces are here. Next I am going to teach you how to use it. So under our iPads, you can look for Lego app. Once you open it up, you can just flip over. There's different programs. So for example, the ones we have now, I believe, I can't find it. Okay, let's just pretend this one. And so there's the different videos that you can see what you do. And then, so you can look for it. So when you want to do a program, you can go to the new program. Now you can drag everything. So there's 3 different colors. Actually, first of all, you have to connect your Bluetooth first. Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth on here, turn on the Bluetooth here. And it's already set on, so all you have to do is to look for one. So right now we are already connected, but right here you'll be able to find the Bluetooth. It's at this corner and you just connect to that. Right now we are connected, so I don't need to connect again. The connection is on the right hand side. It will say Bluetooth connect, and look for this. Okay, it will just show up there. So then there's 3 different colors. So the first one is actually which part of the motors and when it turns and stuff. So you can drag and drop, and you can change to what power you want, and then rotations, and the last one is really doesn't matter that much. Okay, so you can drop anything and just change. The kids can change whatever. Next thing is if you want a loop or anything here, just drop it here. And then the purple one, it's just a note, so you can put it for yourself. When you want to delete, you can just click on top, and then you can just delete a block. So I can delete another one, delete. Okay, so now I want to go back out and show you what I did for the first one. So that's the first program we did, and now you can, so I can just play it. Okay, it will be focused on that one. So I download, I push this button and download, file download, and link to here. Okay, like that. Okay, so I guess it's quite simple. You can do really complicated stuff, but mostly just link the 2 together. The kids start programs and they can start playing. And if they want to change to different figures, they can do that as well. So that's what you can do at your branch.